have a 2021 FXBBS Softail Street Bob in vivid black with orange graphics on the tank. This one does have the Milwaukee-Eight 114 cubic inch engine and a little boost of a stage 2 cam done by Harley-Davidson with the Vance and Hines high flow air cleaner and Vance and Hines competition pro pipe. This thing has a deep rumble, super fast. It does have mid-mount controls, aftermarket pegs, keep your feet locked in. Added Saddlemen 2-up seat, diamond stitching with passenger pegs, so you can take a passenger along for the ride. And there is a preload adjustable monoshock under that seat as well to accommodate for a more stiff, aggressive ride or for a 2-up riding. We also have the Thrashin escape bags on here. Plenty of room for a small sweater, long sleeve on one side, a little tool pouch on the other. LED bullet turn signals in the rear. 114 badging on the derby. RLNS knurled shifter. Center fill gas cap, flush mounted from Harley-Davidson. And then we have these beautiful risers from Thrashin Supply. Relocated the gauge up on the top, so right in line of sight when you're riding. No need to take your eyes off the road. We're looking at 3,593 miles on the odometer. Has some aftermarket grips, real grippy with some shorty levers as well. Gives an easier pull on your brake and clutch. We also have some hand guards as well. Kind of keep your hands protected. LED bullet turn signals in the front. LED headlight. Lace spoke wheels with the chop fender to show it off. And this engine guard that doubles as a highway peg. And there's also added LEDs down there as well. Make sure you can see the road at all times. There's those LEDs down below. LED turn headlight, turn signals. Let's go ahead and hear this cold start.